Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode we will unbox these 1:64 scale mini GT cars. What I have here is mini GT and Tarmac Works collaboration with Shmee150 Mclaren Senna in cerulean blue, limited production, 4,500 pieces. Yep, that's the one. So this is an actual miniature model of Shmee150 Mclaren Senna in cerulean blue. So I bought these at Keith's Model Cars a few weeks ago. If you guys want to check it out, this is his calling card. I'll post the address and the website link on the description. Yep. And also I bought a mini GT Mijo exclusive Liberty Walk Nissan GTR. It's actually a long name. It's LB Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35 GTRR White. It's such a long name. Yep. Hope you guys can see it. So let's open this one first. Shmee. Oh, by the way, I was thinking Shmee is coming here in Toronto in May. Hopefully the Gumbo 3000 pushed through, because it's been 2 years since it has been postponed. So I think it's gonna happen now this year. So hopefully when we see Shmee, he can sign this one. So the box is like nice, not the conventional box for mini GT and Tarmac Works. Yeah. It's a licensed by official product by McLaren and licensed to Shmee, I guess. I forgot how much is this one, but oh, that's it. So it was, the car was like this. Nice. Such a small car. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it has a license plate too. Shmee. So the details of the cars is nice. Cerulean blue. That's a special color Shmee made. Yeah. Nice detail. So what number is this? It doesn't say actually what's the serial number for these, but it says only 4,500 limited, and yeah, it's actually same as the real one. Nice. Nice car. So that's for the Mclaren Senna. And am I gonna open this one? Because I don't usually open mini GT cars, but I guess let's open it. Let me grab a X-Acto knife. So there you are. The best way is to cut this part right here, and it will open like this. Ta-da! And then you can remove the car. Remove these. And you can take out the car. Oops. So I stopped collecting regular Hot Wheels now because it's getting too much and I'm trying to sell some of it. So this is the box. Let's see what's inside. Oh, there's nothing inside. Oh, there you are. There's also a blister pack, blister casing. So if you want to put the car in the box, you can still put it. Nice. And this is the actual car. Whoa. Nice. So small, but it's so detailed. I don't know if this thing is focusing. Please focus. Yeah. So I'm only collecting now these kind of 1:64 scale. I'm trying to get rid of all my Hot Wheels to make some room for upcoming cars. So this is the two new addition to my 1:64 scale collection. Nice. Mclaren Senna and Nissan GTR. So which one do you like? This one, or this one? Just comment down below, and see you guys next time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you like this video, please like it. If you love this video, please share it, and thank you for watching. Bye.